Tomorrow's Black Friday, and we got some of Home Depot's top deals and their Friday doorbusters. So let's check it out. So first up on the list, we got some Christmas decorations. So we got your choice of inflatables here for $20. We got the LED pre-lit artificial Christmas tree, $80 for that. Not a bad deal. That's 7.5 foot. We got some of the Nutcracker soldiers here, your choice for $100. And then we're going to jump into the special buy. These are in stores only, and these are going to be some of the doorbusters. So they got the HDX 27-gallon Tough Tote, coming in under $7. We got some more Christmas decorations, your choice for $40, or you can pick up the Snowman Family for $100. So this is a pretty good deal here, $99, your choice. You got the half horsepower smart ultra quiet garage door opener by Genie, or next to that you can pick up the Chamberlain. Both of these valued at $200, your choice for $100. Not a bad pickup. And this is a really good deal that they've been having on this rigid 16-gallon wet and dry vac, only $60. If you guys are looking for a wet and dry vac, here's the rigid. Pretty good deal on this. Another really good deal is this Gorilla 18-foot multi-position ladder. And I just did a Harbor Freight video not too long ago, and they got the Franklin 17-foot reach multitask ladder, and I said that was probably one of the best deals for a multitask ladder. Well, I was wrong. They got the Gorilla coming in at $90. If you guys are looking for a multitask ladder, this is probably going to be your best bang for your buck. Another good deal is the Milwaukee 1/4 inch. This is the kit. So for $60, you're going to get two 1.5 amp hour batteries, the charger, and the impact for only $60. So real good deal there. Next up, we got Ryobi 1 Plus. This is a 2-tool kit. So you get the drill and the multi-tool, one 1.5 amp hour battery, only $80 for this. These are the 1 Plus, not the HP, but still decent for your average DIYer. We got the DeWalt 3-pack, 3 amp hour batteries, only $100 on that. And then we have the Ryobi stick vacuum, $100. This was $150. Some more doorbusters in stores only. We got the Ryobi 4-volt screwdriver kit. Comes with 10-piece bit set, $20 for that. It's also going to have the battery and the charging cable. We got the drill driver kit for $40, and then we got the wet and dry hand vacuum kit for $70. We got the Milwaukee 25-foot tape measure, $10 for that. Got the fiberglass hammer for $15. And then we got the Impact Duty 125-piece bit set for Milwaukee, $25. And then $49, we got the 6 amp hour M12 battery. Another good deal here is the Milwaukee one-handed recip saw kit. So it's going to come with a 1.5 amp hour battery for $80. For M18, they got the 175 watt power supply with the 3 amp hour battery for $100. And then we got another M12 deal. So this is the 2-pack of the 4 amp hour batteries, and then the wall plate battery rack, only $100 for that. And then all the way to the right here, we got the M18 speaker, and this works with the pack out system for $200. 6-foot fiberglass ladder by Werner, $60. We got the DeWalt 6 amp hour kit for $100. FlexVolt 12 amp hour battery, $150. And then all the way to the right, we got the FlexVolt 7.25 inch circular saw, $149 for that one. Another pretty good deal. Some more Ryobi stuff. We got the Ryobi pressure inflator, tool only with this one for $25. 4-in-1 stapler for $80. And it looks like this is the kit. Comes with the battery, some staples. And then you got your choice over here. We got the blower kit. So this is 40 volt, and this is going to be 550 CFM for $100, or you can pick up the 14-inch chainsaw. This does not look like it comes with the battery, so this is not a kit, for $100. Got some home security. So we got the Ring doorbell. So this is the Ring battery doorbell plus, $100. We got the floodlight cam for $120. Got the indoor cameras, 2-pack for $60. Real good deal there. Or you can pick up the Ring 2-piece starter kit. So this is going to come with the doorbell and one of the indoor cams for $80. They also got some Wyze cameras. So here is the wired indoor-outdoor camera for only $20. They got the Wyze Cam floodlight for $50. And then they got the Wyze Cam pan. So this is a pretty nice home security camera. You can put this outdoors or indoors. But this has 360-degree motion tracking. So if it picks up motion like an animal or a person, it'll actually track it while recording. So it's pretty cool. And then all the way to the right here, we got the Wyse 2-pack Spotlight Battery Cam Pro, $80 for that one. They also got some Blink security cameras. So here's the Blink Video Doorbell for $40, but that's going to actually come with the hub. They also got the Blink Wired Floodlight Camera for $60, the 1-camera system for $40, and then they got the 5-camera system. Good value here for $160. They got the Google Nest Wired Doorbell for $100, the Nest Cam with Floodlight for $190, the thermostat for $230, and then they also got the 2-pack outdoor-indoor cameras for $230. Then they got some other random stuff here. So here's the motion-activated LED solar light for only $10. Not a bad pickup there. Got the job site speaker, $25. TV wall mount kit for $25. Got a cheap drone here for $35. LED strip, $5. Let's see what else they got. These come in pretty handy to put underneath your cabinets. 6-pack of LED pucks for $15. And then this is a nice shop light here. Just goes right into a regular light bulb socket. 7,500 lumens for this one, only $30. We got some Black Friday deals for the pros here. So we got the Bosch self-leveling line laser, $50. Here's another pretty good deal. The Milwaukee 150-pound capacity folding hand truck, $30 for this. Harbor Freight's got their Franklin version coming in at, I think it's $25. Only $5 difference. Not a bad deal for the Milwaukee. They got the Shockwave titanium drill bit set for $30, and then we got the 16-gauge straight finish nailer by DeWalt for $300. And we got some smart switches here. Another ladder, 8-foot fiberglass step ladder by Werner for $70. Pick up the Home Depot bucket for $298. So here's the rigid 7-inch tile saw with stand for $300. Guys doing any tile work. Got some more Milwaukee stuff. So they're doing a deal here. If you pick up any one of these tools, you'll get a free M18 Forge 8 amp hour battery. So they got the 7¼ inch circular saw for $249. They got the 1-inch SDS for $349. And then they got the Impact wrench kit with the 5 amp hour battery. That's a 1/2 inch for $400. Got some Milwaukee flannel shirts for $50. 2-pack of 3 amp hour batteries, M12 for $80. 2-tool combo kit, M12 kit for $179. And then we got the 21-degree framing nailer for $329. Got some DeWalt stuff here. $10 for the 30-piece screwdriver bit set. And then your choice here for $99. We got the Atomic 1/4 inch with the 2 amp hour battery charger, or you can pick up the 1/2 inch drill driver kit. And then we got the 2-pack of the 5 amp hour batteries for $150. Then they got the 2-tool kit for Atomic, which I would just pick this up instead of going this route for $149. This is a better value. And then they got the Atomic 4-tool kit for $300. Another pretty good pickup here. Got some barbecues on sale. Got the fire pit for $90. And that's about it, guys. So I just want to do a quick run through of the Home Depot flyer for Black Friday and the doorbusters. So these are going to be in stores only for the doorbusters while supplies last. That's going to be it for this one, guys. Hopefully you guys have a good Thanksgiving and you find some good Black Friday deals. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you found some value in the video, make sure you smash that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.